masyadong maliwanag sa mata ko. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you can see on the title, magka-car reveal nga tayo. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa loob ng sasakyang nabili ko. I'm so excited. This has been like a long decision. I've been to different car dealership. I've been to Mercedes, I've been to Lexus, Mazda, Tesla. So yun lang, that's the only 4 car brands na pinagpilian ko. Why? First of all, Mazda. Mazda is my old car. Yung current car ko before was Mazda CX-30 and I'm used to Mazda. It's a Japanese brand. You cannot go wrong with Mazda. Reliability-wise, luxury tech and everything, Mazda is almost perfect for me. And then there's Lexus. So Lexus, of course, who doesn't want Lexus? Lexus is a luxury brand of Toyota. I like it. The first choice that I want from Lexus is the Lexus TX. It's like the 7-seater large SUV. However, when I inquired from the dealership, they told me that the model that I really want to buy is already reserved. They said that if I want to put my name on the wait list, I should wait for like 6 months because I'm number 14th on the wait list on that specific model. And then I was like, okay, so let's go with another option. And then I went to Mercedes. For the Mercedes, I really want the Mercedes-Benz GLE, which is the 7-seater. It's a 7-seater SUV. It's not too big because the biggest SUV of Mercedes is the GLS. So there's a GLE where it also has a 7-seater. However, I messaged the dealership. They said that it's already reserved as well. Then I was like, why do they have to post it if it's already reserved? So after that, next option is the Tesla. Of course, I really want to try the EV. EV is very much popular here in the US, especially in California because of the price of the gas. So I really want to try the Tesla. I have a lot of friends that says, oh, you should try an EV because there's no car maintenance, no change oil, no anything. So you just have to change the battery, the wheel alignment like every year or 2. But I realized that I don't have a car charger in the apartment. And I sent an email to the landlord of my apartment and they said that they won't allow me to install an EV chargers. At my workplace, there's a free EV charger. Although there's a lot of EV car chargers already across the city, but still not as many as the gas station. That's why I have decided to buy a Mazda. Why? First of all, that's my comfort brand. That's my first car here in the US. I've already know how to navigate all the buttons. And it's not that expensive, but it looks luxurious and expensive. Aside from that, of course, it's a Japanese brand. It can compete against Toyota, Honda, or any Japanese car brands. What I like about Mazda is the reliability of the car itself. I had a CX-30 for 3 years already. That car never gave me a problem at all, aside from the change oil and everything. And also, when my family is here in the US, CX-30 is too small for us. So I've decided to buy like a bigger SUV of Mazda. That is why I'm gonna show you the car that I got. And here is the car reveal. Enjoy watching! Nag-car reveal na nga tayo. So this is the Mazda CX-90 and this is my new car. This is the car that I replaced from my old car na si Wanda na Mazda CX-30 and I'm super love my car. This is specific color, the platinum quartz metallic. This is the color that I really love. And the white interior. There's a lot of cars available in other dealership wherein it's a platinum quartz but a black interior. But for this one, when I saw it has a white interior and a platinum quartz metallic, I already grabbed it and buy it from the dealership. So here is it. Thank you so much for watching and thank you Lord for all the blessings.